Well, good morning. It is 7:11 mid-Missouri when we're recording this. Still some sunshine out there, a few clouds trying to move on in, and they're having a hard time with some drier air up in the atmosphere. But we've got a lot of moisture here at the surface. Sensors showing maybe a little bit of patchy fog in some places. Not seeing a lot of widespread reports of that this morning, but we may in some places. Temperatures in the 80s, 83 right now in Jefferson City, feeling like 86, almost feeling like 90 degrees at 7 a.m. That is just very warm, very humid, and it's a sign that it's going to be one of those hot and humid days. Forecast today is 99. Our record is 100. We're getting really close to a 50-plus-year-old record here, set back in 1953. And we'll be close a couple of days this week, really up until Wednesday. After Wednesday, we get kind of far from records, but we're within margin of error a couple of days between now and Wednesday. So we're tracking a chance for maybe an isolated shower this morning. By the time you watch this, maybe that threat is completely gone because it's a very, very light chance for rain. Dangerous heat is our big concern for today and the next couple of days. Dry and warm long term. That's what we're tracking between now and the next 2 weeks. Generally drier and warmer than average weather heading our way. Today, air temperatures, we're talking about actually 99 degrees, maybe 100 degrees, with feels like temperatures in 105 plus degree territory. This is model output here in our feels like temperature. So this is going to vary a little bit throughout the day between 105 to 109. But generally, we're looking at extreme heat for that box right there. Over the next couple, we've seen pretty consistently low 100s in terms of what it will actually feel like. A little cooler, but still very hot and very humid. You got to think we're still in spring. Summer doesn't officially arrive until a week from tomorrow. So again, 105 is what we're forecasting, 105 plus for this afternoon. That means anyone could be at risk today. Healthy adults just outside doing normal yard work, normal maybe work today, going to be at risk of heat exhaustion, or we'll say heat-related illnesses. And then anything higher than that puts everyone at more extreme risk. But again, check on your elderly neighbors. Check on folks that don't have air conditioning today. And if you got to be out, drink plenty of water before you leave, and try to minimize those strenuous activities and try to stay in the shade if you can. If you got to be in the sunshine, try to find a pool. Today would be great pool weather. Again, chances for rain trying their best to make it towards us. Not a lot of activities expected to hold together. We could see an isolated shower. We'll likely pick up on some cloud cover, but it won't be enough to keep us cool today. Temperatures well into the upper 90s, near 100 degrees for a lot of folks out there this afternoon. And that's with dew points near 70, again, making it feel like 105 or higher. Overall, the pattern that we're watching that's making this possible is an upper-level high pressure that's going to sit on top of us between now and this time next week and then some. So this is next Wednesday. We're still looking at the high pressure influencing our weather, and that'll largely keep us dry and warm. There will be hit-and-miss examples of little shortwaves trying to bring us, or I should say some cold fronts trying to approach mid-Missouri. We've got an example of one heading towards us by midweek. It's a small chance for rain as of right now. We can't rule out those small chances for rain, but as a general rule, we're looking drier than normal. And because of that same setup, we're generally looking warmer than normal for the next 2 weeks as well. So again, we've got weather alert day in effect for extreme heat today and tomorrow. That very small 20% chance of rain going to be that hit and miss chance for an isolated shower. It's looking less and less likely this morning. And then heading into Wednesday night to early Thursday, that's that first cold front that tries to make its way towards mid-Missouri. It's going to be a small chance for rain as it looks right now. We'll pay attention to that as we get closer. And then you're looking at dry conditions all the way through the weekend, and temperatures not necessarily near record-breaking territory, but warm nonetheless.